What's going on YouTube? We're back again with another video, and today we're heading down to Santapod. That's right guys, for some drag strip action. So guys, I'm hopefully going to be breaking some hearts down the strip, but you know what's going to happen if I don't do that. There's going to be no video. Alright guys, we're down at Santapod right now. The time's now 9:30. I'm not sure what time the track actually opens, but yeah, we're gonna be hopefully breaking some hearts down the strip today. There's a few guys I've already spoken to see what they're pushing power wise, and yeah, it looks like I'm the underdog, but yeah, we're gonna do what we need to do.
You signed on yet?
Yeah, I've signed on.
I need you to fill one of these in for me.
Okay,
Your
cool.
classes are written at the bottom. Tell me what class you're in.
Yeah.
Get your pen. Tell me what class you're in.
I am in C.
So stick a C in there for me, please, and I'll do your number. Wait.
Do you know what time it opens at all?
9:30-ish.
All right.
How the track goes, basically.
All right, cool. Thanks. Right guys, the first race of the day, I'm up against another edition 30, but guys, the queue was so short I didn't get time to speak to the owner, so hopefully after the race I'll find out what type of power it's running, if it's manual, if it's got any mods and all of that jazz. Okay guys, next up we've got a 7.5 GTI running a stage 2 application, 350 brake, so yeah, this one should be another interesting one. Oh, there's a nice nice TIG up front. Yeah, so guys, I think what I'm going to do after this race, I am going to park the car up and yeah, have a little walk around and see what other cars are in Santapod today. Now there's show and shine today, there's the club stands as well, so yeah, there's a few things to go and see today. So yeah, let's just see how this race progresses. So guys, let's have a little walk around and see what cars are at GTI Festival today. So we got the Mark III VR6 being cleaned by the lovely lady. DK Tuning, Instagram. This area here is the show and shine guys, so there's going to be a lot of very nice cars, kept very pretty. We've got a GTI Mark V Lupo, very nice colour in the blue. Mark 1 Golf, This is a Polo. Mark 7R. This one I believe is a Club Sport. So it's like an anniversary edition for the people that don't know. It's in a yellow Lupo. You've got a Beetle here. Looks quite nice. Looks like it's got the V5 lamp inside. This is a Polo, this red one here. Not a lot of cars where the bonnet's open, so we can't see what people are hiding inside. Golf R for sale, 29k. Edition 30. Oh, this one's nice. It's got the bucket seats in as well. Bonnet vents. The vents is different as well.
Yeah.
Definitely. Yeah. You been on the strip yet? Or not yet?
Not yet, or later.
Yeah. Might see you then.
Yeah.
Take care. Mark 7 GTI. Ah, got Southeast tuners here. The Mark 3. Right, so this got a Polo GTI. Really nice actually. Monza wheels. That's one of my favourite wheels actually on a Mark 5 Golf. This is the Monza 2 alloys. Mark 2 Golf. I'm not a fan of a 5-door to be fair. I've always been a 3-door guy. Actually there's 2 actually. I didn't realise they're both next to each other. Both of them are 5 doors. Got a Mark 4 Golf. What's going on here, guys? Very clean Polo, this one. It's got the Dare wheels on. Corrado with a VR6 lamp. Yeah, really nice. Like the fog light covers. There's another 116 valve. Got the ball bet wheels. A5. Another Corrado. What do you think of this one, guys? Mark 2 Golf GTI 16 valve. We've got another Golf here. Mark 1. Wow, look at this one, guys. In the fastest colour. Wheels. So yeah, quite a nice wheel, this one. If you want to follow them, that's their Instagram handle. Check it out, guys. Very, very clean car. Hopefully it comes across on the camera. It's on air ride as well, guys. So here we got Mark 2 3-door, one of my favorites. Skinny bumpers, guys. Another Lupo. This is a wagon, Mark 7 wagon. This is a Mark 7 wagon, not a 7.5. You can generally tell if it's a 7.5 or a 7 by the headlights. So yeah, this one's the earlier one. This is a 7. It's not the facelift one. Just having a look around. It's got Jetta front end.
I'd love to have my interior like done, you know what I mean? Like, it's good. It's good. Recaro, Mark II Recaro, electric Recaros. So it's...
Oh yeah, there was another car I saw earlier with it. It's like an optional extra, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Keep up the good work, eh?
Yeah, I appreciate it. Nice
Alright,
to
man.
meet you anyway.
Nice to meet you too, man. Take care, yeah?
You too.
Nice little Skoda VRS. Mark 3 cab. Yeah, it's a nice Pirelli. I think this may be the only Pirelli in here today. It's a Mark 5, same engine as an edition 30, sorry. With this car itself, it comes with the bigger turbo, which is the KO4, the same as the edition 30. Yes, this one's nice and clean. Looks like it's got Scorpion exhaust. Yeah, really clean. Edition 30 here, guys. R32 Mark 4 Corrado. Oh, Mark 7 gang. Oak green. If you know about your Mark 2s, oak green is the colour to have. Guys, how many edition 30s are we counting here? Edition 30s GTIs. RS4. Mark 2. This is clean, guys. Check out the color, guys. Yeah, this one's really clean, guys. G60. Maxton design splitter on the GTI. Another Mark 2. Mark 1. Oh, this is clean. Oh, it's another Pirelli. This one's in silver, guys. So we've got the silver Pirelli here, black Pirelli here. This one looks like it could potentially be a stock Pirelli. Really clean.
The emerald's under there. I'll have to get that for stuff.
Guys, next up we got an Audi S3 8V manual, supposedly stock, but it is 4-wheel drive. You already know how it's gonna end. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Launch control. It's a wrap, guys. It's a wrap. To be fair, guys, you're lucky I'm even showing this annihilation, this cappuccino right now. So yeah, guys, it's been a fun day at GTI Festival Santapod. Make sure that you like, comment, share and subscribe. If you guys at home like this content because it is something different on the channel, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below to tell me you want to see more of this kind of content. Guys, it's your boy Wavy, and until next time, I'm out.